Uh, Good evening viewers, I'm Sneha from KOSTECH and today I'm going to introduce you to LH80 Laser Hair Regrowth Helmet. So this offers a painless solution for thinning hair and it is quite easy to use and very effective. So let me unbox this for you. So here is our laser helmet, and with this you will be getting this cord, and also there will be a booklet inside it. Okay, so this has 80 laser points. Okay, and this is the rubber ring pad over here, you can see. So here is our cord wire, so you can just charge it for an hour to use. Okay, so this is connected now. So here you can see this blue button. So once you on this, so you will see the red light like this. So this you can keep for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can it will automatically switch off. Okay, so this was all about Laser Helmet 80 Pro, and for more details you can contact us on the given number. And also don't forget to like our KOSTECH YouTube channel and Insta page. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.